How to show location on Snapchat. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to show your location in Snapchat. After you open the Snapchat app like this, go to this location at the bottom left side. After you go to the location, so now we tap on this settings at the top left side. So go to settings. So now we tap on this allow button. Go to this while using the app. Now go to settings again. So and then from this option, now the first thing to do, you tap on this option. So this one, you tap on this ghost mode and turn it off. So after you turn off this option, now you go back. So after that, now you tap on this arrow. So now you tap on this little arrow, this one. So from there, now it will give you your exact location. So now here is my location, and at the top it will give you the name of the location. So here is the name. So if you use your fingers to zoom it out, you'll be able now to see the exact location where you are currently. So that's it guys on how to see or how to show location on Snapchat. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.